guys! Happy New Year, everyone! So here's your minimalist mom once again to give you a tip on how to beautify your dining table. So today, makikita natin ito. Usually, ito yung nilalagay natin sa ating dining table, diba? So especially when we are, alright, we have something like food. Nilalagay natin ito sa ating dining tables. Okay? Hindi naman masama magkaroon nito, but this time of the year, since we are having New Year celebration, of course, tanggalin muna natin ito, alright? Isang tabi muna natin dyan kasi hindi siya kasali sa ating dining New Year's Eve celebration. And this time, of course, for a minimalist mom, kailangan din natin ng placemat, alright? One tip for you guys for placemat, hindi lang sana Christmas or New Year natin na gagamit itong placemat, but we can use it every day. So, you can actually invest in a placemat na talagang maglalast long. Actually, we've been using this already for 15 years. Kasing edad ito ng aking bunsong anak na napakaganda. At syempre, maganda pa rin as long as we maintain. What I usually do here is that I only wash it, ganyan, i-brush ko lang konti. And of course, nilagyan ko na rin ng scotch tape para hindi na rin siya maghiwa-hiwalay, diba? So this is made out of nylon actually. So, nagtatagal po siya. And I bought this somewhere, I guess in SM. Yeah, nag-buy one, take one sila. So, you could also consider buying things that are % off, 'di ba? Para naman makatipid tayo. hindi lang ang ating area ang minimalist, but of course, pati na rin ang ating budget. So, what are we going to do here is that we're going to place it here. Of course, lahat ng bisita or lahat ng family members ay merong placemat. Yan. So, ilalagay natin dyan. That's how simple. Actually, I also chose brown kasi madali lang siyang, hindi siya madaling marumihan. So, you could just punas-punas it every day. You could use it every day on your dining table. Ayan. And not only like this, diba? So, pwede rin natin lagyan ng pagkain dyan, ating plato, yan. So, buffet style siguro for a New Year's celebration. Yet, we could beautify it. Actually, etong pitchel na to, hindi namin nagagamit. Kasi medyo mali yata yung alam mo yun, yung spout niya. So, if you're going to pour the water or something, or juice, medyo nag-spill siya. So, maraming nasasayang. And, ayoko namang itapon. Ayan. So, pwede rin ipamigay. Pero pag ayaw nyo itapon, better use this as a vase. Ayan. So, pwedeng live flowers or pwede rin kayong kumuha na to. Diba? Napaka-authentic minsan ng mga plastic flowers kasi it would last long. But, since it's New Year's celebration, you could also try to make use of something like, alam mo yun, yung festive ang dating. So, hindi lang ganito. Ayan. So, you could actually place it here. And, tada! You could place it at the center. O, diba? Nakakatakam din kumain pag may mga ganito sa table. Diba? So, I hope you will enjoy your New Year's Eve with your family. And I'll see you again. Bye!